Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about sine x squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. So we will apply this formula to change about sine x squared in here. So we put this one go in here. So this one divided by e to the power of 2x cosine 2x divided by e to the power of 2x. So we will get about 1 over e to the power of 2x minus cosine 2x over e to the power of 2x. Next, this one we can change into e to the power of negative 2x. Similar for this one. Next, the integration of e to the power of negative 2x, you will get about e to the power of negative 2x over negative number 2. And now I will concentrate about this integration. Now I just concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by parts. We will have u equals to e to the power of negative 2x. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about the u equals to negative number 2 e to the power of negative 2x dx. So if we do this one, we will have dv equals to cosine 2x dx. If we do this integration, you will get about v equals to negative 1 over 2. 1 over 2 sine 2x. And now I will put this one is about capital I. So we have u multiplied by v. Next, du multiplied by v, but we have the negative in here, so you got about positive number 2 divided by 2, they will get number 1. So you will get about the integration e to the power of negative 2x sine 2x dx. Now we continue use integration by parts, but we change this one into sine 2x. The integration of this one, you will get about negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x. So we have u multiplied by v. You will get about negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative 2x cosine 2x. Negative, negative, you got about positive, but we have another negative sign in here. So you got about negative. Number 2 divided by 2, they will cancel. So we have the integration e to the power of negative 2x cosine 2x dx. We know that all of them equals to I. And we know that this one also about I. That means we will have I equals to this one minus I. So we put negative I go to the left, and we will get about I plus I equals to this one. So choose I in here. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. And you got about 1 over 4. This one. Minus 1 over 4 of this one. And we put about C in here. That's about the constant. So we combine the answer in here. So I will put about capital T. That's the final answer of the question in here. 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2. You got about negative 1 over 4. And we have negative 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. 1 over 4. You will get about 1 over 8. One over 8 of this one. Plus 1 over 8 of this one. And we put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.